Let's quickly run through setting the time and aligning the hands on a G Shock GA-200SH. So first things first, we're going to want to make sure that our hands are properly zeroed. That way when we set the digital time, our hands will also display the correct time. To do this, we're going to press and hold our forward button. Now we'll hear a beep and we'll see sub start flashing. So now we're controlling this little sub dial. We can advance this one click at a time with our forward button. To be zeroed, we want this to be pointing straight up at 50. Once that's properly set, we'll press mode, and now we'll see 000 start flashing. This is our hour and minute hand. We want this to be pointing at 12 o'clock. We can go reverse and forward with this. Once those are properly aligned, we'll simply press adjust. And now when we set our digital time, our analog display will also display the correct time. Now on to setting the time on our watch. To enter our time setting mode, we're going to press and hold adjust. We'll hear the watch beep. Now our first setting will allow us to choose our time zone using forward and reverse. We can press mode to enter the next setting, which is daylight savings time, off or on. Mode again will allow us to choose 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. Mode once more, and we'll see our seconds start flashing. We can zero this with our forward button. Mode again will take us to our hour, which we can go forward and reverse. Mode again will allow us to set our minute. Mode once more will allow us to set our year. Mode again will allow us to set our month. And mode once more will allow us to set our date. Our final setting is LT, which is our light duration, 1 or 3 seconds. And once we're done with all that, we simply press adjust, and now our watch will set itself to the correct time. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.